Let's open up Anaconda. And then I will do some coding. Today we'll be going to Jupyter Notebook. Let's make a new file, Python 3. There we go. So we'll name this, we will work today. Today we'll work on dictionary. And Boolean. Dictionary and Booleans. Okay, so you're gonna work dictionary and Boolean. Rename that. So as you can see, dictionary. So in dictionary we can put keys, and in that key we can put values as well. So let's type in some code. Say my _d. D means, I'll say D means dictionary, okay, equals to key 1, and then we put the value, say value 1. So that's the key and the value we're gonna put. Okay, say for example we'll copy paste this so I don't have to type it in all the time. Tab, paste, one more tab, paste here. So we say 3. Okay, we'll say 3, 2, and value will say 2 as well. Okay, so for example if we print this, what happens? It will print key and the values. So shift enter. Indication error. Dictionary or dict. So enter. It's still let's take them off for now. Should be one bracket, not what? Cancel. No. Let's print shift enter. It's still invalid syntax error. I forgot to mention put commas around here. You have to separate them from each other. So shift enter and say okay, in line we say print my dictionary my D. Okay, shift enter. Here we go. So what's happening here is that's the key and this is the value we put in the dictionary, and it will print my dictionary here in the below. So in my dictionary we put keys, different type of keys, and we put the different type of values, and then it will print if I say print my D or my dictionary, it will print all the keys and the values you have in my dictionary. And let's say what type it is. I'll type my D. So let's say print. It's a dictionary. So we're saying what type it is. The my D, the dictionary. It will tell you exactly what it is. It's a dictionary. Say for example we want to print and the value of key 2. So we have to type in here my d say key 2, and then print. It will print the value whatever we have stored in my dictionary, which is value 2. Okay. Let's make a few more columns. If I remember, yeah, press A, and it'll make a few columns here. Say, for example, we want to change our my dictionary, my dict. Say, for example, banana or brand. Say brand here, and brand. Brand apple. Yeah. Really. Apple, comma. We go. Say model. Model is iPhone, maybe. Yeah. And say, for example, we say equals to 2020. And then we print. Here I am to print my dictionary, my UICT, and let's shift enter. Invalid syntax error on Apple. Oh, indeed. Brand Apple. Yes, and in syntax error, invalid syntax, which it says here, line 1, my dict. I forgot my dictionary equals to. I forgot to put equals to. Anyway, so when you run the command, so it will print whatever you have the words inside my dictionary, the keys and the values. So brand is Apple, model, iPhone, year 2020. So for example, we want to add an item to this dictionary or existing dictionary. How do we add an item to this dictionary? Say in the column we say my dict. We say we'll add color. What color iPhone it is? COLOR color equals to red. Say red, and then print my dictionary, and then shift enter. As you can see, I just added in my dictionary the color red, and it will print. If I print my dictionary, which is that, and all these keys and values we have, 3 of them, and also we added another one, which is 4th one. So it will print out, it will add the ones we just added. So brand, Apple, model, iPhone, year 2020, color is red. So it's a red iPhone. Alright, let's say we want to delete or remove an item from this dictionary. So let's remove an item from this dictionary we just created. To remove an item, we have to mention delete. Del means delete from my dictionary, and say for example we want to delete the brand name. Say we say brand, B-R-A-N-D, brand, and then we say we want to print my dictionary. Okay, let's run the command, and as you can see, the brand Apple has been removed from the dictionary list, and it will print the rest of the keys and values we have. Okay, say for example we want to delete the whole dictionary. What do? We say delete my dictionary, and then print, say my dictionary, though there won't be anything to print, so we're gonna mention, say print my dictionary, D-I-C-T, and then if we run the command, so we're deleting it. That means we are the Python program couldn't find the dictionary, my dictionary, so because it's been deleted, so it's running its name error, my dict, it's showing an error. All right, let's talk about Boolean. What's Boolean? Boolean values can be represented as one of two constant objects, false or true. So it's true or false. Booleans behave like an integer, which is of course 0 and 1, and 2, 3, 4, goes on. So it's a number. Boolean behaves like a number, so it's true or false. Let's say for example, say true, and then we say false here, and let's see false, and then we say, let's run. See, as you can see, true is true, false, when you run the command, false is false. So it understands true and false. So you can say for example x equals to 10, and then y equals to, let me say 10 again, so it will be of course so let's say print x equals to y. What it will print? Can you guess? Of course x value is 10, 10's value is 10 as well, or x and y both value is 10, so x equals to, it will print true. The reason is it is true. X value is 10, y value is 10, and it's printing 10. So for example we change the number to 11, and then if we run the command, of course it will send false, because x and y is not equal, because we mentioned here it's equals to. You can do a lot more in Boolean, say for example greater than or smaller than or equals to, like this, and then run the command, not like that, say greater than, false, x greater than y, no, x value is 10 and y is 11, so it is false, so it's printing out that it is false, x is not greater than y. So for example we say x is smaller than 1, So y is greater than x. Yeah, as we can see, y is 11, y it is greater. If we run the command, it will tell you it is true. So that's Boolean, guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. We'll do some more coding, and stay tuned for more videos like this.